Hey. Oh, okay, let me just... All right, so what we need to do here is we need to solve this equation. So we are looking to, firstly, we are going to take the equation that we've got here. We've got 4 cosine 3, so if we're going to find f of omega, so it's going to be omega, so 3 omega. We're going to start by finding where it is equal to 0. I can simplify this by dividing through by the 4. That has no effect, and I get this. So next I'm asking myself, what values are going to create 0 with the cosine function? So I pull up the unit circle. Pull up the unit circle on this one. When is the cosine value 0? Well, it's 0. It's 0 when we're here or when we're here. So the cosine value is going to be greater than 0, because we want to have when the cosine value is greater than 0, and it's the cosine value is going to be greater than 0 when we go from here to here. It's then going to be greater than 0 when we come around to the next one, and so on. So this first angle here is pi over 2. So from 0 to pi over 2, then it's not going to be until we get to 3 pi over 2. And then this is around 4 pi, and this would be 5 pi over 2. So we can say, we can put up some inequalities then. This implies that from, so are we starting at 0? From 0, and we want it greater than 0, so we'll use these inequalities. From 0, 3 omega will be up until we get to pi over 2. Or our next period is going to be from 3 pi over 2, 3 omega, up until we get to 5 pi over 2. But we need to get to omega, so we divide our inequalities through by 3. This will give us 0 omega pi over 6, or divide this one by 3, we're going to get pi over 2 omega up to 5 pi over 6. And all of those are in the interval given here, from 0 to pi. Yeah. So, firstly, if we look at the unit circle diagram, the cosine value from 0, this is 0 here, the cosine value on this green one gives us this inequality here. Oh, sorry. So the green one is this. There in the unit circle, 3 omega is going to be 0 from 0 to pi over 2. From 0 to pi over 2. And then we keep going around the circle until we get to 3 pi over 2. And the cosine value will be greater than 0 from 3 pi over 2 to 5 pi over 2. So the pink one is this. So from the unit circle here, we get these two inequalities. And then all we have to do is divide through by 3 to convert from 3 omega to omega. Perfect.
Do you know how to multiply the answer by 4?
No.
Because the radius is 4 now.
No, it won't matter on the radius. You're correct, the radius is 4, but that's going to have no effect on the interval. It's just a vertical stretch. So it doesn't matter. It doesn't impact this one. Okay, so that's it.